It's Thursday, the 8th of April. Exactly 1 year since we did our first episode of the News in 60 Seconds. Happy birthday, Qatar Quick. Here's the news in 60 seconds. Cabinet imposes more COVID-19 restrictions. The Cabinet has imposed a number of new restrictions which will come into effect from tomorrow and will continue until further notice to curb the spread of the coronavirus in Qatar. Workplace attendance reduced to 50%. Beauty and hair salons to be closed. No dine-in at restaurants and cafes. Children under the age of 16 not allowed in malls. Metro and bus capacity reduced to 20% and there will be no services on weekends. Mosques will stay open for daily and Friday prayers. Social gatherings, sitting in parks, beaches and the Corniche not allowed. Travel and return policy to continue as is. South African variant behind spiking COVID-19, says Dr. Al-Khal. The latest development in this pandemic of the circulation of the South African variant has meant we are once again moving quickly to further increase restrictions. Despite our strict quarantine policy that is in place for all travellers, the South African variant has now made its way into the community, meaning we have both the UK and South African variants circulating, said Dr. Al-Khal. He went on to say, "We have not reached the peak yet, and it's worth noting that most of the infections in this wave are among citizens and residents with white-collar jobs and among their families." Dr. Al-Khal singled out family visits as the biggest cause of infections. Qatar achieves 1 millionth vaccination milestone. The Ministry of Public Health yesterday announced the administration of the 1 millionth COVID-19 vaccination dose in Qatar. Baby Manalo, a 42-year-old Filipino Qatar resident, yesterday visited the Al Wab Health Center and received the 1 millionth COVID-19 vaccination dose to be administered since the start of the national COVID-19 vaccination program. Qatar Airways new engine facility inaugurated. The inauguration of the new 9,000 square foot engine facility located in Qatar Airways Technical Maintenance Complex was part of Qatar Airways' vision of lowering maintenance costs by more than $2.2 million a year to support the carrier's growth despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Qatar's weather today. Doha will see temperatures between 19 and 34 degrees. Elsewhere in the country, it will be between 17 and 35 degrees. Now today's COVID update. In the last 24-hour period, there have been 940 new cases of COVID-19 and 527 recoveries. Unfortunately, there were also 8 COVID-related deaths, which means there's been an increase of 405 cases, giving us a new current total of 18,401 active cases. That's all for today. Please take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.